On January 29, 2025, the Netherlands took a decisive step in enhancing its air defense capabilities by procuring 22 Skyranger 30 short-range air defense (SHORAD) systems, which will be mounted on ACSV Gen5 tracked armored vehicles. This acquisition is a key component of the country's Counter-Unmanned Aircraft Systems (CUAS) program, aiming to bolster its defenses against drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft. The Dutch Ministry of Defense expects to finalize contracts soon, with deliveries scheduled for 2028. Once operational, these systems will be integrated into the Defense Ground-Based Air Defense Command (DGLC) at Lieutenant General Best Barracks in Vredepeil. To support the deployment, an additional 125 personnel will be recruited. This decision aligns with Europe's ongoing efforts to strengthen air defense systems, driven by emerging security challenges, including recent conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East. These events have demonstrated the growing role of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in modern warfare, necessitating advanced countermeasures. European nations have intensified their air defense initiatives, particularly through multinational collaborations. One of the most significant initiatives is the European Sky Shield Initiative, ESSI, launched in October 2022, which seeks to develop an integrated, ground-based air defense system with anti-ballistic missile capabilities. By July 2024, 22 European nations had joined ESSI, demonstrating a collective commitment to enhancing regional security. In parallel, the European Defence Agency, EDA, is facilitating joint projects among member states to develop missile defense and electronic warfare capabilities. As part of these broader efforts, several European countries have opted to procure the Skyranger 30 system. Austria signed a contract in February 2024 for 36 Skyranger 30 systems mounted on Pander EVO 6x6 vehicles, with deliveries set to begin in 2026. The contract includes an option for 9 additional units. The Austrian variant is 1 ton lighter than the standard model and features 2 Mistral missiles due to vehicle weight constraints. Denmark ordered 16 Skyranger 30 turrets on MOAG Piranha V8x8 vehicles in September 2024, including 4 prototypes and pre-production turrets, scheduled for delivery by 2026, with 12 production systems arriving between 2027 and 2028. Germany ordered 19 Skyranger 30 systems on GTK Boxer vehicles in February 2024 for €595 million, including 1 prototype and 18 production units. An additional 30 units are planned, and the German version will be armed with Stinger missiles. The Netherlands acquisition aligns with these strategic purchases, reinforcing NATO's collective air defense interoperability. The Netherlands is undertaking a comprehensive modernization of its air defense capabilities, involving multiple acquisitions and system integrations. The Skyranger 30 will be paired with the Norwegian Mobile Ground-Based Air Defense System, NOMADS, which will also be mounted on the ACSV G5 platform. This system is intended to replace the aging Fennek vehicles, which are currently equipped with FIM-92 Stinger missiles. Key elements of the Netherlands air defense upgrade plan include integration of NOMADS with the NASAMS command system, arming NOMADS with AIM-9X II Sidewinder missiles, 15 km range. Expected entry into service by 2028. Additionally, the Netherlands is acquiring 21 NASAMS units, which will be equipped with AIM-120 AMRAAM-ER missiles to strengthen medium-range air defense. These will complement the country's existing Patriot PAC-2 and PAC-3 MSE missile batteries. In collaboration with Germany and Italy, the Netherlands is also procuring 940 FIM-92 Stinger Block I missiles through the NATO Support and Procurement Agency, NSPA. The NOMAD system will consist of 5 command vehicles based on the ACSV G5 platform. At present, the Netherlands operates 2 NASAMS 2 batteries, featuring /MPQ-64 Sentinel radars, 4 Patriot batteries under 802 Squadron. The ACSV G5, developed by Flensburger Fahrzeugbaugesellschaft, FFG, for the Norwegian Army, is a modular armored combat support vehicle designed as a modern alternative to M113-based platforms. Development began in 2012 as a private initiative to compete in the global market for light armored vehicles. The vehicle was first unveiled at Eurosatory 2014 and underwent extensive desert trials in Abu Dhabi and winter tests in Norway. Serial production commenced in 2021, with Norway becoming the first confirmed operator. Payload capacity of up to 9,000 kilograms. Highly adaptable, designed for command and control, medical evacuation, logistics, and air defense. Modular armor protection for enhanced survivability. Composite rubber track system for reduced noise and vibration. Optimized for both Skyranger 30 and NOMADS systems, streamlining logistics and maintenance for the Netherlands. The Skyranger 30, developed by Rheinmetall Air Defense AG, was first unveiled in March 2021 to address the decline in mobile air defense assets across Western armed forces following the Cold War. Armament and capabilities. Turret weight, between 2.5 and 3.4 tons. Main weapon, Oerlikon KCE-30 by 173mm cannon. Fires airburst rounds at a rate of 1,250 rounds per minute. Effective engagement range of 3 kilometers. Equipped with 300 ready rounds, including PMC-308 tungsten subprojectile ammunition. Missile integration. Capable of carrying 2 to 4 short-range surface-to-air missiles such as Stinger, Mistral, Skynet. Extends engagement range up to 9 kilometers. A special variant has been developed, integrating 9 small anti-drone missiles, SADM, based on the MBDA Enforcer, providing a 5 to 6 kilometers range against UAV threats. The Netherlands' procurement of the Skyranger 30 represents a significant investment in national security and NATO's collective defense strategy. Key benefits include enhanced protection against modern aerial threats, including drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft. Improved battlefield mobility and rapid deployment due to ACSV G5 integration. Seamless interoperability with NATO air defense networks. Increased firepower and multi-layered air defense capabilities. As threats in the modern battlespace evolve, the Netherlands is ensuring that its armed forces remain highly capable, well-equipped, and prepared for emerging security challenges. By integrating cutting-edge air defense technologies, the country is reinforcing its role as a key player in European and NATO defense efforts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.